How to start a business in Mexico. This is a project for the English class of International Business degree. This project is a research of some of the paperwork that you have to do to have a business in Mexico. Guidelines. The first step to do a business in Mexico is have the land use permit. This permit is basically the permit that the government gives to you to establish your business in some part of the city of the place that you want to have your business. The second step is opening the statement notice of commercial establishment. This is a free process and it gets done in just one day. So you don't have to wait for this process to end. The third one is operating license. There is two types of license, type A and type B. Type A, this license is just for those businesses that sell alcohol or are high impact businesses. Those ones that don't sell alcohol don't need this license. This one, it could be really expensive and also is valid for 3 years in the federal taxpayer system. In this case, you have to know where your business it could be fixed or it could be fit. For this, you can consult an accountant. Financing to start a new business. There is 3 ways that you can finance your business. The first one is known as FFF, Family, Friends, and Fools. This one is when an entrepreneur wants to do a new business and their family and friends give the capital and they help them to do his business or her business. Government funds. There is a lot of funds that the government can give to you if you get all your papers done. For example, in Mexico, the Secretaría of Economía and CONACYT gives that funds to the new entrepreneurs and to help them to do their businesses. And finally, as we all know, there is the bank financial.
We have things that we need to know after do or put in action our business idea. The first thing is define the reasons for starting the business. We need to know the clear idea to start with our business. Sometimes people or entrepreneurs start only with the idea to make money, but you need to take notes and define 3 reasons that you think are the most important things to start with the business. Then we have to pick up simple business idea. The perfect business idea doesn't exist. You need to have a clear idea and an easy idea to start with your business. Then we need to possess a profitable model. We need to have a profitable model about our business idea. We need to have secure and we need to have the clear idea to start with our business. Then we need to have a good business plan. The business plan should be short and easy to understand because other people that work with us need to understand the business idea in the better form and in the same way that you do the business. Then we need to promote our business in all the forms that we can do it. We need to have accounts in social media, we need to have flyers, we need to have a website, and work in the internet can be the better form because it's economic and it's easy for all the people to work with internet. Then we need to learn about our business. We need to know about our customers, our suppliers, and our competition, because we need to be prepared to the future. Then we have 5 things that we need to know that we can do after or before start with our business idea. The first thing is lack of planning. Sometimes we can lose in the way to start with the business. We can lose the business plan and lose the first idea or the clear idea that we have when we start with the business. Then we can misjudge the market niche. We need to know in the better from our customers, because sometimes they can't buy our services or products or our business idea, and we need to be prepared and have the secure that we can work with these people. And not knowing the cost structure, we need to have the money to pay the cost that we can generate before start with the business. And if you don't have enough capital, you can have problems, because you need to pay taxes, you need to pay people to work with you. And the last thing is hiring people for convenience. Sometimes we can work with family, with friends, but it's a wrong way to start with the business, because you have your idea and other people can take your idea and have problems or mistakes with the first idea, and you don't know the abilities that they have, and you need to have people that have the abilities to work or develop and improve with your idea in business. In conclusion, we need to be prepared in the better way to start with your business. You need to have the money, the time, the people, and have your clear idea to start with the business, because if you don't have the idea in the clear form, you can have problems in the future, and you need to be prepared. Sometimes we think that start with the business is a difficult thing to do, but it isn't difficult. Nowadays exist financial institutes that can give us our loans, and we need to trust in ourselves and in our idea, because if we have a good idea, we can do business in a good way, and we can have a lot of money in the finish about the business.